Hello all. So today I'm going to be talking about all the EVAP component locations for a second gen Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015. I'm going to show you where everything's located and what's going on with it. And so first up is going to be the Purge Valve location, which Toyota is going to call the VSV vacuum switching valve. And it's just going to be located on the driver's side, up inside the engine compartment, and bolted right to the engine. It's going to have a wiring connection, and it's going to have two hoses going to it. These purge valves are just a real simple device. They're normally closed valve, so they just stay closed until power goes to it. So if you take it out and you try to blow through it, you shouldn't be able to blow through it when there is no power. If you can blow through it when there is no power, then that means it's stuck open. If you set a voltage 12 volts, at that point it should open and you should be able to blow through it. If you can't blow through it when it is getting power, then that means it's stuck shut. So they're just real simple devices that just stay closed until the computer sends it power. If you go to look for the fuse, it'll be on the EFI fuse. So if it's not getting no power, then the fuse to go and check is going to be the one labeled EFI. But the location is going to be on the driver's side, up inside the engine compartment, bolted right up against the engine. Next up is going to be the charcoal canister and also the leak detection pump. This is all together. This is the charcoal canister right here, and here's going to be the leak detection pump. And it's going to be located up in the rear of the truck, right by the gas tank, and up above this cross member bar right here. It's going to have a bunch of hoses going to it and a wiring connection. And the charcoal canister itself is just going to have a lot of small little charcoal pellets inside of it to help filter out the gas vapors. A very important part is going to be called the leak detection pump, which is going to be bolted right to the charcoal canister. The leak detection pump is going to contain the vent valve and the pressure sensor on these vehicles. It's all built into one thing. There was different versions of the leak detection pump for the second gen Toyota Tacoma. I'm not sure the exact year that the design of these changed, but they're going to do the same thing. They have a vent valve built into them. They have the EVAP pressure sensor built into them. And they also have a small little vacuum pump built in that'll put the whole system inside of a vacuum. Here's two diagrams, one from a 2005 Toyota Tacoma and one from a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. And these would be the pins on those leak detection pumps that you send voltage to that would close that vent valve that's built into the leak detection pump. The vent valve works very similar to the purge valve located up in the engine compartment, but the vent valve is normally open instead of normally closed. So when there's no power going to it, it should be open. And then when there is power going to the vent valve, it should close. But this is where the leak detection pump is going to be located. It's going to be bolted right to the charcoal canister. So if you're getting like P2401, P2402, P043E, any kind of leak detection pump code or pressure sensor codes, this is where it's going to be located. So that's pretty much it. I think that was everything. If I did miss something, let me know in the comments below, and I'll come back and try to make another video on that. But for sure, that's going to cover all the main components for a second gen Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015. So that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like.